Okay, so this is the install part of the bulbs that we've got. Remember, we've got our AutoOne LED reverse light bulbs that we're installing on the Acura here. And I'll show you a quick, easy way. Access is right behind this little panel right here, so you need yourself a little flathead screwdriver. And there's a little access point on the back side. And all you do is you pop this in, pop this down, cover is off. Quite simple. There's a little access point right there where you put the screwdriver in, pop your cover off. We'll grab the camera here and we'll just show you the bulb real quick. There it is. There's the socket right there. This is really simple. What you want to do is you're going to counterclockwise. I'm going to put my camera down there. I've already undone it. Move my camera back here quickly. Counterclockwise. Carefully remove this down. There's your bulb. Bulb pops out. Did you get that? Hopefully everything's good there. Hopefully not too much sunlight. There it is. Now there's the old bulb. Standard bulb. And we're going to be replacing it with one of the LEDs. So we're going to open up the package here real quickly. I already pre-opened it. There you go. There is the bulb. Plenty of LED little lights all the way around it. If you take a look, the ends are identical. All that you'll want to do is take your LED, pull your connector down. They do give you a little bit of wiggle room here. You're going to pop this inside, and then it will actually physically, you need to give it a little bit of force, just like that. Put it inside. LEDs on here, LEDs all the way around. You're going to take this, take your time here, place it in, and now there are guide pins. Put it in, turning it clockwise now and locking it into place. That's it. There's one bulb that has already been installed. Okay, so you're going to repeat that on the other side. We're going to just take my screwdriver over here. I'm going to point out, there's the little access point. Hang on, let me just get my camera here a little better. There's the access point. Basically going in, giving it a twist, popping it down. Did you get that? See all that? There's the light. Counterclockwise, undo it, pop it down. Take your time here. There's the bulb, there's the socket. Literally pops right out. There's the old light. Okay, you got that? Just gonna move this over here again. Drop this down. Again, you get two of them, replace them. Open that package up, inspect, take a look at the same size. The ends are the same as well. I'm gonna spin my camera, but the sun is right there, so this might be a little bit blinding, I hope. Hopefully not. Yeah, it's gonna be a little blinding. Again, all you're gonna do is you're gonna grab this, pop this down, line it up, give it a push, pop it in, that's it. There it is. Let's see, maybe I need to angle this up a little better. And again, just work this back into that area. Slide it inside, line up your pins, turn it clockwise. Bulbs are installed. Oh, there's the sun in your eyes, right? Bulbs are installed. I'm gonna pop this cover on and hopefully not blind you with the sun too much. There we go. We'll spin this over. And all that this is just popping it back into place. That's it. Install. That's it. Install is done. Let me grab and move the camera around here. There we go. That's better, isn't it? So there's your install of the LED bulbs. So once the sun drops, I'm going to show you how brilliant these are up against the garage door here. So just keep watching the video and you'll see it. And we're also going to be putting a link down below that's going to show you where to go. It's AutoOne. You're gonna go check these out. Now, I've also got these ones. These are 9005s. These are high beams for multiple types of vehicles. Awesome stuff. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna pop those open right now. We got time, right? Sure we do. Old bulbs, new bulbs. Now we're going to show you these ones here as well. These ones are the 9005 high beam LED bulbs. Aluminum construction. They only have 2 LEDs, one on each side. Check that out, eh? Looks pretty cool. Comes with the gasket, sealing gasket on it. We'll check those out for sure later on. Just gonna keep those in the package right now. And they do come with your instruction product manual, and these do come with a 2-year warranty on them. We offer 24 months of warranty on all our products. Feel free to contact us. They give you all the support information that you require in this package, in this little pamphlet as well. There we go. So that's part of it. Take a look at the brilliance of these LED bulbs. This is amazing. The amount of light that is coming out of these 2 lights when you're reversing into your driveway, your garage, down a back alley, whatever you're doing in darkness. Now there is some background lights here you can see, probably a good 200, 300, 400 yards away from me, but they are definitely not lighting up the area that I'm standing in right now. Now take a look at this. This is amazing. Absolutely. A couple of minutes to install on this vehicle here, just like on the other vehicle. Go to AutoOne, type in your make, your model, your year of your vehicle, and you'll be able to get this for your vehicle and help you back up in darkness. Simply amazing. We're going to spin the camera just over here a little bit and show you. We'll actually even pick it up and bring it back here. Look at that. Simply amazing.